Here we are at the famous Gilgal Gardens. Is it cool seeing this stuff live? A spire up there that happens to be Angel Moroni, a igloo. See if we get a side that doesn't have the sun involved with it. Another little cave. Not sure what's in this cave.
Hey, check this out. You got your body parts all scattered out here.
Yeah, I think I left my foot on this hill.
Daniel 2.
Daniel 2.
That's what the rock says, Daniel 2.
And you know what? And he's in dirt too.
Oh my God.
He's in dirt too.
They want to wrestle.
Daniel 2 is in dirt too.
These two want to wrestle.
This one right here, I will just call the butt crack rock because for some reason it's got a butt crack. Yeah, butt crack rock. Let's go see what this is. So this is kind of history on the guy that actually created this amazing art expedition, or whatever you want to call it here. 1945. Imagine that. Salt Lake looked kind of like that. Looks very rural and outdoorsy. Oh, so he went up into the canyons to pull the rock. One of the many canyons they would do that would be actually Little Conwood Canyon. That's Dimple Dell area where they got the stones to make the Mormon temple. I wouldn't doubt that this is one of them. And here he is using a torch to actually cut these sculptures he has. Here's the one that we just showed you a minute ago that happens to be in the middle of an island, but it looks like back in the day this is really what it looked like in its original form. We have looked over that one. That was one that I called Rockhead. Obviously the train, and look at that old truck and everything. That is just so cool. And here's a finished product. They put the rock on his head. Okay, they say Captain of the Lord's Host illustrates the sculptor Maurice Brooks. And he used the torch to outline the body, and 38-ton of silica quartzite stone is the one that they're making of him himself, you know. That's way, way cool. And here they are. Oh, it's a child figure. And here's the Sphinx that we saw earlier. Very brilliant, this guy. Just, you know, he set out something that's gonna probably for the posterity, just gonna be something that we can enjoy for years and years and years to come. Many have actually filmed this one. This one, I believe, is his wife. Supposedly, like, the big thing is that, you know, she looks good, but not as good as she did in real life, as in most things. And there's these eagles, 4 eagles, So kind of like maybe newer installments. I don't know if there's still some building going on or if it's just some of the last things he did. Seems like this is a little bit newer. Giant stack of books. There is the star of our show, Miss Star, enjoying this art exhibit.
Oh, I like the books. That's cool.
And then here's that sculpture. As you can see, there is no old truck. There is no red brick house. Modern city life has grown up around this. As we're in downtown Salt Lake here, about 7th East and about 500 South is where this resides. Right across the street from the Trolley Square Mall. You know what really baffles me is other YouTubers that have come here, they go to the Hires restaurant and I'm assuming they park there and walk here, which kind of... And we got our pamphlet here. There we go. We see Gilgal Garden. What a great exhibit. What a great piece of Salt Lake City. I gotta wonder if this is maybe the gentleman's house here that created this. The little doggies liked it. Yes, they are dog friendly. Just make sure you have a leash and you pick up their poop. And everybody's happy. So in conclusion, what did you guys think of that exhibit?
That's pretty cool. Come on. Babies, come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Which one's your favorite, Violet?
Come on, it's okay. Oh, come over this way. Come on.
Lindy, which one was your favorite sculpture? Huh, Lindy?
I don't know yet. I like quite a bit of them. I don't know yet.
The one with him in the plaid pants?
Huh?
The one with him in the plaid pants?
Come on. Come on.
Well, thank you for tuning in.